traders, I'm looking at gold daily time frame. This has traded into a critical level down here under these previous lows. Big level on the daily time frame. Just mark it up as a liquidity pool where we're looking at this hitting these sell stops that are sitting under here at the moment. And you can see the reaction off here. Let's just go back out to the weekly. All right, same thing on the weekly time frame. Have a look at this weekly candle. Okay, so it's hitting the this level under the base of this, the low of this weekly candle here. So we could mark that up as a 1W, weekly time frame, high or low. Okay, so that's the low. And I just want to have a quick look at the monthly, just see what we've got in terms of, okay, previous level. Yeah, well, the previous monthly, we've got this level here. That's a fair way down. I've got my doubts as to whether this is going to trade further south. And then we've got this level up in here, monthly. I'll just mark it up, white. All right, so the white is the monthly. The weekly is the next protocol bullish on the weekly time frame. Well, these candle body here would be a resistance level. We can mark that up, weekly. Yeah, and then, I mean, you know, it travels further up. So we've got these key levels marked up. Let's now go back down the time frames with a bit of a roadmap and get our bearings, right? So we've got this weekly level. We've got this liquidity pool under here, daily time frame. All right, on this time frame, have a look at the previous price swing. So we have the swing from this high down to this low. I mean, this is a really extended range, right? I'll just mark that up as a range, a price range, or a trading range, I should say. I'll just mark it up in blue, trading range. So what we have here is a high to low, and honestly, if this is going to continue bearish, I would even expect this to pull back into at least the equilibrium of this range, right? But at the moment, this is right out there. This is trading at the low, the very extreme. Okay, so definitely, you know, I mean, I'm not looking to sell. I highly suggest that you don't look to sell this into this level. Even if it dribbles around here and continues further south, I'd be willing to let it go. What I'm looking for is a buy opportunity, given that this has traded so far out, you know, with this this swing point high to low, and I'm definitely looking for a retrace, and hopefully this holds, and then, you know, we see this continue up, and you know, we have the beginning of a monster trade with gold. Okay, that's the plan, guys. So I'm really waiting for that opportunity. Let's just go down now and have a look at this. So on the 4H, I'm not looking to sell. I'm looking to buy, and I wanna see this invite me in and give me a reason to get long, to be honest. Yeah, okay. On the 4-hour chart, what we have, if we look at price swings on this time frame, we've got this high now, high down to the low. You know, like, I mean, I'd need to see this break structure, retest the value range here, and then, all right, so this is critical. This level here is critical. Let me just grab that. Right, this whole range is really important. I'll just mark that up as a parallel. That'll do. Does that work? Yeah. All right. Okay, so this is where it breaks market structure, and then, you know, we have a trend. Now, if it does trade above this high here, then your target is going to be up here, right? So this is the range now that we're looking at in terms of, well, an external range, okay? And we are way at the base of this. So if this breaks structure bullish, we have this entire, oh man, I mean, that's a lot of fun. Once this trend establishes long, we're in for an interesting ride. So that's something worth waiting for, guys, and I'm definitely planning for this. And then, you know, you jump in early on the trend, and, you know, you do something like, well, look at it. I mean, you know, you want to get involved when it's trending. And my plan with this will be, well, this is a 4-hour chart. I would really like to, like, kick off, let's just say, you know, it trends bullish, really work to build you know, positions, and just on every 4-hour pullback, every 4-hour retrace, look to get involved again, Oh well, you know, even here, right? But these are all still trendy. These are all still valid. You know, they haven't been closed yet. Their stops haven't been taken out. You know, and then we can move our stops up behind it. But I mean, look, if you can get into a monster trade like this, I mean, this is a yearly pay. You know what I mean? Like if you play this well. So that's what I'm really looking to do when this breaks structure. That's the plan. So I mean, yeah, with that, guys, I think that's something to look forward to with gold. But you know, it's nothing. It's nothing to write home about until this high is taken out here. This is important. This here, right? So you've got to see a break on this time frame of market structure, and it's going to be at that point there. That's when I'm really interested. So the thing with this is it could mess around in here for a while. It could trade further south, but at some stage it's gonna do that, and then we're going to be in for a really interesting time. So I'm waiting for this to occur, whether it's here or here. Okay, so wait for the hang on a sec. Let me just mark this up correctly, and then I'll leave this marked up on the chart because I want to come back to it. All right. So the note is going to be: we look for the break of market structure. Okay, we look for the break of structure. A bullish break of structure on the 4-hour time frame for a monster trade. Right, that's the note. Color it red, black, whatever. There you go. Guys, I would love to hear your comments on this, and definitely say something. Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. And yeah, I mean, with that, that's my plan of attack with the with gold, XAUUSD, wherever it decides to shift gears. Yeah, I mean, look, and to be continued. You know, if we get this set up and it starts trading, I'll be definitely revisiting. So, you know, to be continued. Okay. With that, hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.